Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to mention someone on Instagram story. So let's begin the video. So the process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. Simply open your Instagram app. So go to your story. We take a picture. So here what you need to do is you will scroll up. So here is the option of mention. So we can tag, you can search here any name which you want to mention in your story like this, and you will tap on your story. So this is the process